What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, we do have the lovely Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This was just delivered to me, so we're just going to unbox this, and I'm going to give you my thoughts of what I think about it, and so on and so on. And just stay tuned because I have a whole bunch of cases, so you're going to have a lot of coverage coming from me with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I did get this in the white, in the titanium white silver 256 gigabyte variant. And then it also came along with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So now we're just going to unbox it like so. I am excited. I didn't get a chance to get the S24 Ultra like I wanted to, so this is nice. This is going to be a nice little treat for me, you know. A lot of people are saying that this is not going to live up to the S24 Ultra potential, but I'm not worried about that because I never had an S24 Ultra, so I don't really know what I'm missing out on. But I know a lot of people were mad about the S Pen losing Bluetooth, but I never really used that, so I'm not worried about that. Now we're just going to unbox it like so. Woo! There go that lovely foam. In here, this is where your books and so on and so on. I'm not going to open this up because we all know what's in here. You just get your charging cable, your USB-C charging cable, no brick, your Sims tray card remover, and your instructions. So we don't need that. Now you're greeted with that lovely device. I don't know. It's just something about a white phone that gets me super excited. It's cold to the touch. And I'm really, really loving the rounded edges. You know, I know the S24 Ultra had a little bit more curved edges, but this is very rounded off, and I really do enjoy that. As you can see, it does look nice. It feels nice in the hand. This is where your S Pen is right here. I don't like that the S Pen is not white. I wish it was white. This is like a grayish color, and I'm not really a fan of that, but it is what it is. That back in there like so. I do not have a screen protector just yet. I'm waiting on the company to send me a case with a screen protector, but we are going to go on and peel that off like so. This looks nice. Look at that screen. No, these do not come with screen protectors on them anymore. I wish they did, but this is what you're going to get. Let's cut the phone on for the first time. This is rocking that Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. There we go. It's booting up. It's booting up. 6.9-inch screen. Same size as your iPhone 16 Pro Max screen. Nothing here. At the bottom here, this is where everything is. So you can see your Sims tray, USB-C charging port, S Pen. It says welcome. So let's get this started up real quick. And this is currently running on the One UI 7. I'll be switching from my Z Fold 6 to the S25 Ultra, so I will no longer be using my folding phone. I didn't trade the folding phone in for this. It's just that I'm going to put this aside for a little bit and use my S25 Ultra. So it says for your review, we have to do I agree, I agree, I agree. We're going to hit next. Easy setup with another device. This is like I said, this is running the latest software. This is still on One UI 6.1.1. So I think February is when this is supposed to get the One UI 7. So I'll be able to play with it officially on my S25 Ultra until I can get it on the Z Fold 6. But now let's we're gonna transfer everything. As you can see, it just picks it up just like that. So we're gonna hit setup. They make this so easy to connect your devices nowadays. I really wish my screen protector would have already been here, because I really didn't want to use this device until my screen protector came. But I'm not going to use it just yet. I'm going to set everything up, and then I'm going to still use my Z Fold 6 until I get my screen protector, which hopefully it will not take me too long to get my screen protector in. But let me go on and put my information. Because I don't want to sit here and take forever. That is something that I can really set up at a later date. So it says meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. So I'm gonna hit OK, because I will want to use that. I'm gonna turn that on, so I'll be able to use Gemini. It's Galaxy AI Advanced. So I'm gonna hit next. It says use Bixby. I'm gonna hit next. I'm really not I'm gonna hit skip, because I really don't care for Bixby. I rather just use the Gemini. Samsung services. I'm gonna hit agree. You're all set up. See what's new. I'm gonna go home, because I'm gonna play with this device a little later. But right now it pretty much just transferred everything from my Z Fold 6 over to, it's still transferring everything from my Z Fold 6 over to my S25 Ultra, and that is what you want it to do. These cameras do look nice. They're pretty big. They do look nice though, so I'll have to test that out for myself and see what I think about the cameras. But this is what the phone generally looks like when you set it up for yourself. You do get access to your Samsung Galaxy AI features right there. You get your display. And then another bummer this year is that they took away the 16 gigabytes of RAM. And I do hate that, because it didn't matter what device you got this year, you still weren't going to get 16 gigabytes of RAM. Usually it was, I think, 12 gigs for the 256, and then 16 for the 512, and then I think it was a little bit more for the 1 terabyte. But this year it's all, I think, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and that was a bummer for some people. So that is another reason why I didn't go on and do the upgrade, because the RAM wasn't upgraded. It was just upgrading you to more storage. But 256 is more than enough storage for me. And since I trade devices so much, I didn't want to get something with 512 gigabytes of storage if I'm not going to be able to fully use it. But who knows? I may keep this. I may not. You just never know. But so far, I'm liking the look and the feel. It does feel nice in the hand. I like the white. Let me see what it looks like up against my Z Fold 6 white. Let me know if they look, I don't know. This is the silver white, and this is just like white. But I love a white device. Even my iPhone 16 Pro Max is white. So yes, I do like those white smartphones. I don't really do the colored smartphones. I used to do all black smartphones, but now, hey, these white phones, they be calling me, they be speaking to me, and they just look so nice. But like I said, I will have more coverage, case videos, so on and so on, of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.